Is this the most advanced Apple Watch ever? What if your wrist could tell you your blood pressure trends, keep you connected via 5G, even off the grid, and still last 24 hours on a charge? Today, we're diving into the brand new Apple Watch Series 11, the future of health tracking, performance, and connectivity, all in a sleeker design. You don't want to miss this. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love breaking tech news and Apple deep dives, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because Apple season is officially here. Release date and pricing, mark your calendars. The Apple Watch Series 11 is expected to be unveiled on September 10, 2025. Right alongside the iPhone 17 and Apple Watch Ultra 3, that means pre-orders by September 13th. In your hands by September 19th. Now, let's talk price. Apple is sticking to its classic structure, $399 for the GPS aluminum model, $499 for the GPS Plus cellular version premium stainless steel and Hermes variants. Expect those to climb past $700, depending on the band and finish. Design and display, no crazy redesign, but refinements make Series 11 feel new. You're still getting the familiar rounded rectangle, but now with slimmer bezels for a more immersive view, fresh finishes including a bolder product red, classy midnight, elegant starlight, and a premium matte black stainless steel option. Durability also gets a big boost with toughened Corning glass and a scratch-resistant coating. Perfect for gym-goers and outdoor adventurers alike. Performance, an S10 chip under the hood. The S10 chip, or possibly a base-level S11, means you're getting 30 to 40% faster app launches to X RAM 2GB, and 2x storage 64GB smoother animations with a 120Hz refresh rate, longer battery life up to 24 hours with real-world use. Combined with watchOS 11, it's a powerhouse for multitaskers and fitness lovers alike. Health and fitness features. Now here's where Series 11 really shines. Top 10 health features. 1. Blood pressure trend monitoring, not FDA certified, but smart enough to spot and warn about risky patterns. 2. Hypertension. Alerts get notified if your BP starts trending dangerously high. 3. Sleep tracking 2.0, more accurate REM data, plus flagging for apnea like symptoms. 4. Blood glucose trend monitoring in beta, and huge for diabetic users. 5. Next-gen heart sensor, better readings, even during HIIT and stress. 6. ECG and SPO improvements, faster ECG readings, better accuracy in cold weather. 7. VO Max, tracking more precise readings and smarter fitness plus feedback. 8. Respiratory monitoring tracks breathing during sleep and workouts. 9. Fall and crash detection 2.0. Now faster and works beyond just car crashes. 10. Wrist temperature monitoring, great for fever alerts and cycle tracking. Connectivity and safety. Series 11 is future-proof, Bluetooth 6.0 faster, more efficient pairing, Wi-Fi 6E, less congestion, 5G RedCap, efficient cellular, even in remote areas, and yes, satellite emergency messaging is coming to the standard Apple Watch. For the first time, perfect for hikers, travelers, or anyone off battery life and charging, while Apple still rates it for 18 hours. Series 11 users can realistically expect up to 24 hours with optimized watchOS 11 low power mode. Now, even smarter fast charging still included, full charge in under 75 minutes, with smarter health features, double the speed, enhanced durability, and upgraded connectivity. The Apple Watch Series 11 is Apple's most complete smartwatch yet. It's not flashy, but it is refined, and for most users, that's exactly what they need. But I want to hear from you. Will you upgrade? Or are you holding out for a Series 12 redesign, or something wild like a micro LED panel? Drop your thoughts below. Like this video if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe. We're covering Apple Watch Ultra 3 next, and you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching.